Hi everyone, today we're going to set your voice free and we're going to do it with a very simple yet very effective method. We're going to do it by allowing your sound to move through your resonance chambers and not trapping the sound inside your mouth as it commonly happens when you want to learn how to sing high notes. We're going to do it on an oo vowel. The oo vowel is great for demonstrating this. So let's just go ooh on a comfortable note, down low, whichever note you want. And we're going to try and glide. And what's going to happen normally is you're going to run into a wall. You're going to go ooh, 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 ooh. The sound will get stuck in your mouth and you will have nowhere to go with it anymore. Ooh, you're going to possibly break into falsetto. Ooh, you might go into this yodel because you don't know where to put the voice next. So we're going to take care of that today. And I'm going to tell you what you need to think about and how you need to try and feel this inside of your body to make it actually work and transition very nicely into your high notes. Now, what we are not doing here is we are not going for volume, we are not squeezing too much, and we are not trying to tense up. No, we are trying to make our voice transition nicely between our resonance chambers. So let's try and do something like this. If you get stuck, ooh, 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 the sound is trapped inside your mouth, you cannot go any higher. What I want you to think about is how you want the voice to bypass the mouth, ooh, and go into here, the back of your nose. They call it the mask as well in the singing world. So we want to put the sound bypass the mouth and put it here behind your nose. You want to think about aiming the sound there as you move higher. Ooh, and yeah, like I said, it's not about volume, it's not about tone. We're not going for a pretty sound. We are trying to make the voice go where it needs to go because your voice is telling you, I need to go up higher, but you're trapping it inside the mouth. So let's not do that anymore and let's do it correctly. Now we're going to do it on a simple slide, really slowly, so that you can't cheat your way around it, okay? You have to do it really slowly. Ooh. Make sure there's no break in between and that the sound is really kind of floaty. We are not going for a forced sound here. We want the voice to glide through into the higher register. And you want to think of it as aiming it behind your nose. You can do it on other vowels as well. The oo is just really good about feeling it. But you can do it on an ah, for example. Ah. You can do it on an oh. The principle is the same. You are aiming the sound behind your nose. Oh. This will allow you to finally break free from being stuck here in your mouth in this low range. You will be able to actually go higher and discover the higher registers of your voice in full voice. There is no break, and you can then grow that sound that you find in this right spot, but only once you find it in the correct position, so that you don't have to push and yell and squeeze anymore to get into it. So I hope this was helpful. Definitely subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.